One key to secure increased net profit is to go green. Investing in new and updated equipment that improves energy efficiency will generate long-term savings. Investing green, one of the best investments of today, considering both economical and environmental obligations. Trying our best to leave a clean and healthy environment in heritage for our children, and company profile will improve. We have your energy solution right here. Reduce energy consumption by at least 10%. Better system efficiency, same comfort. Saving the world's energy with minimal inconvenience. Intelligent energy usage has never been easier. The UN Climate Panel has set focus on human-caused CO2 emission, and the need for practical and efficient solutions to this problem has never been more present. The good news is that they already exist, and we are here to tell you about some of them. You shouldn't wait for glamorous solutions that will not be integrable until 2030. By embracing solutions that are already there, you may begin today to reduce emissions, save energy, and putting money in your pockets. It has never been easier to be green. Do not wait. The UN Climate Panel concludes that the greatest potential up until 2030 lies in energy streamlining of buildings, focusing on 3 different categories, where the products from Danhill offers effective solutions for cooling and heating systems. The conclusion from UN Climate Panel and its mission is now confirmed by World Bank, who has approved a loan of $200 million for energy conservation projects in Ukraine. World Bank plans implementation of 6 subcategories, where products from Danhill will apply within 4 of these. Danhill's product range is within energy-saving economizers, which are more effective than other available technologies. Reducing the energy within 5 areas. Run boilers, both hot water, steam and forced air heating, compressor-driven air conditioner and refrigeration systems. These cost-effective practical technologies are easily installed in existing systems or specified for new construction. Our patented technology saves energy by optimizing system performance through real-time load analysis and control, reducing energy consumption. Our products require no programming or maintenance. They work with existing controls and do not void manufacturer's warranties. Let me give you a short introduction to our 5 products. This fuel-saving economizer for commercial hot water heating systems reduces fuel consumption, wear on parts, flue emissions and electrical usage when installed on gas or oil burner. It utilizes excess capacity within the boiler, dynamically increases systems efficiency by altering the firing pattern of the boiler, creating fewer but slightly longer burn periods. It provides savings in average of 17.5%. In Denmark, test results has been confirmed by Trefor, a multi-energy company providing electricity, drinking water and district heating to large parts of Denmark. Trefor measures 30% savings at Danish client. The fuel-saving economizer for commercial steam heating systems saves energy by adjusting the burner run pattern to match the system's heat load, determined by using a pressure sensor that monitors the boiler's steam pressure and the rate that the pressure changes. Fuel-saving economizer for forced air heating systems reduces fuel consumption, wear and tear on parts, flue emissions and electrical usage. It modifies the normal burner run pattern, dynamically adjusting the length and number of cycles. Shorter burner cycles providing the same heat load reduces fuel consumption. Our air condition economizer will automatically adjust the compressor cycles to achieve the greatest efficiency and reduced electrical usage while assuring consistent temperature levels. And finally, when installed on commercial refrigeration or freezer systems, this economizer will reduce electric consumption. It represents a major advancement in cooling system energy-saving technology that is easily installed by a qualified installer, maintenance-free and guaranteed to save energy. Danhill's cost-effective practical technologies are recognized around the world and reduce energy costs and man's impact on the environment and natural resources. One thing is certain: concerns for the environment and the need to conserve energy are likely to remain high on the international agenda for many decades to come, with companies receiving increased pressure from governments and consumers to become more environmentally focused. Managing energy makes common sense and is being given high priority within mainstream management. The Energy Efficiency Office stated that a sound policy of energy management can have the same effect on bottom line profits as would otherwise take a 20% increase in turnover to achieve. Our products deliver an average energy savings of 13% and reduces pollution by as much as 50%, according to a study by Nucerda. What the study also emphasized was that user comfort was maintained while decreasing energy consumption and pollution. Our products have been tested and validated by several government and research authorities and have achieved verifications such as the Energy Star label. To give you an indication of the payback time, I have prepared this case for you. We are looking at a large office building heated with natural gas from a single boiler with a 720 kilowatt rating. Assumptions are a heating period of 220 days a year, 15 hours per day at a 60% load. With a gas price of 30 cents per cubic meter and our average savings at 17.5%, the payback time will be 4 months. This is innovative energy management solutions for commercial applications. Reducing energy consumption by 10% guaranteed, and with a 15-year warranty against manufacturing defects. Environmental investments make sense. Let's solve this together.